Hello friends, I'm here with the question number 10 related to RHCE-294 version 9 exam. Collect the hardware report using a playbook on all nodes and download hardware report.txt file from the URL and save it under slash root. Guys, you will be given this file and you will also be given one URL. You have to use wget command uh, wget command and then you have to put this URL, right? So once you and they will also uh, tell you that where you have to download this, and then you can bring it to your home directory, and then you can do the rest. But sometime they may ask you, I mean, that download uh, the file with using playbook. Then in that case you have to use one module. I'm going to show you uh, that in the playbook how you can mention that module and URL and get this file. And once you will download this file, you will open this, you will find these key, okay, these keys over there, and you will have to create a Jinja file to get the values of these key, and for that you will have to put variables. If you don't know the variable, how like host, how you can get host name through a variable, you can use setup module to get that variable name, right? So I'm just gonna go and show you. And the third second part is saying if there is no information, it should show none. And playbook name should be hw report.yml. It could be any in your real-time exam. You have to use the one you will be given. Okay, so let's go to our machine and I'm gonna show you how you can solve this question. First, I would suggest you that you must run this command to check uh, which devices are attached to your nodes. Okay, for this you can run this command. And guys, I had only uh, it's only dev, but I just wanna run on all managed node. Okay, I yeah, one thing I just wanna show you, all the nodes have one device, which is in my case is NVMe 0 and 1. But just to show you the difference, I have attached some additional devices to this group prod. And under prod, remember, we have two machines. So I'm going to show you that I have already attached two. Look here, is NVMe0 and 1 and NVMe0 and 2. Look here. So if I run this command on all, then it is not there, because I just attach two additional to prod group just to show you. Okay, this is how you have to check, and then you can write your playbook. Let me show you your my playbook. uh, okay, let me show you playbook first, and then later on I'm going to show you Jinja file. Okay, so guys, we have to run this playbook on all many node. Then you have to put this ignore underscore errors, then yes, task, and this is my block. In the block, I'm just, this is what I was talking about. If they tell you to just download the file using playbook, then in that case you have to use this module get underscore URL, right? And they will give a path like this, and you will have to put that URL here, get get underscore URL, this is module name, and then you have to give this parameter and put the path here, your URL path, and then destination they will tell you as it is mentioned slash root, right? So you will write the that path here, and give the file name. This is how you can download the file using playbook if they tell you to do in this way. Otherwise you will do wget and you can do that. So then second task is copy the first Jinja file template. Here module name is template because we just want to fetch the value of the variable, not the contents. Okay, so we don't want to copy the contents, we want to fetch the value of the variable. So in that case we need to use this module template. This will work. Source is this hw report 1.txt and destination is this. So I will show you what I have put there, but uh, I have written this black. If this block doesn't work, then it will go to the rescue, right? So in the rescue block, the same thing I have written, only I've changed the name of the file because I've changed the parameter in that file a bit. So I'll show you this. So this is how you can write your playbook. People do in different way, but I've done in this way and got the desired result. So I was comfortable with this, so I use this method. So now I'm going to show you the file, Jinja files, I mean. So it was txt. Yes, this is my first Jinja file. This is the key value which will be given in the exam file. So this is the parameter, Ansible underscore host name, and this memory and Ansible underscore mem total underscore MB, right? So either you memorize them or you can get through setup module. It's up to you. Then BIOS Ansible underscore BIOS underscore version, CPU Ansible underscore processor, and disk underscore size underscore VDA. Guys, this name, device name, this I mean disk name could be any, right? So in my case, this is just key, and this is the real name of the uh, disk. So in my case, so whatever you will see in your exam, you will put that one and the same key value here. Okay, so we are practicing, so that is why I have just done in this way. And if you practice at home, whatever you see in your lab, you will put the same here. And then Ansible underscore devices dot nvme0 and 1, then dot size, and then pipe sign, and then put this key. Okay, default, and then in the parentheses in code, single quote, put this none, because if this device is this is not available, then it will say none. Okay, so this is how you will write your Jinja file. I'm going to show you the next one, because if playbook block doesn't work, it will go to rescue, and in that case second Jinja file will come into play. So the same key values I have put here except the last one, because if this disk is not available, it should say none. So this is the only difference. Okay, now let's run this and see what happens. Ansible navigator, run, and then playbook name is this, then put -m, and then this one. I'm not gonna check syntax, but you should check it. So as I told you earlier, I have already ran this playbook, so it will not work again because Ansible is idempotent. Okay, so I just want to show you the result. Let me see. Let me copy the file name. I just want to copy this and I'm just gonna cat this file. No, what happened? Sorry. Look here, guys. This is how you will get the result. Okay. So in case of look here, node 5, none, and node 5, okay, none. And then if you move up, you will see, look here, node 3, we have this VDB3, VDB 820 GB, and this is 3 GB. I showed you already, right? I have attached to this. This is how, in node 4 we have two also. Okay, VDB 2 GB 20. There were two disks attached to this group, right? And all other should be only VDA and VDB none. So in here you can see again, this is none. So this is how you can see the result. And right, so this is how you can solve this question, and this is uh, done. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, hit the bell icon so that you could get notification of the newer stuff. Bye then.